What's up, guys? We got a box in the mail today, so we're gonna open this thing up and see what we got inside. Before we get started, why don't you drop a comment what you think we got in here, and while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Sorry, kind of struggling, but I need some motivation to put more videos out. So the more likes, the more subscribers I get, the more videos you guys get. You know how it goes. So without further ado, we'll see what we got in here. All right. Cut it on open. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be good. Come here, show them what we got. Show them what we got. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Woo! Uh-oh, here we go. All right. Dual ceramic ball bearing. Upgrade in the works. All right. Check this dude out. Holy crap. Yeah. She's getting a new turbo. All right, so what we got here is a brand new Precision Gen 2 7275. It's T4, and I've already got the housing coated. I guess it didn't come in the mail today. Oh well. So this is what we're going to replace up here. Oh yeah, she's definitely a little bigger. Ooh, that's gonna be good. I can't wait, guys. This is gonna be awesome. She's really light too, surprisingly. You can see where the ceramic coating got it all nice and baked in there already. That's gonna be awesome. So, what we have on the car right now is a journal bearing 6766. It's a T4 divided 1.0 AR housing, and we are pushing the limits of this turbo. We're pretty much maxing this out. So we're upgrading, and we're going to try to do 1,000 horsepower and take the record. That is the plan. So, I'm stoked on it. I got the car here on the trailer. We got the billet bell housing installed. Still got to button up a few things. We are getting ready to take it to Eric's to get the weight plate and stuff put on, but that'll be a whole separate video. But for now, look at that thing, boy. Yeah. Look at her spin, boys. Oh yeah. That thing's huge. I can't wait. She should fit in there real nice and easy. I don't think I'll even have to modify anything. But if we do, it'll already be at Eric's, so no worries there. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.